So today I am going to show you how to automate this solenoid valve. So to automate this solenoid valve, we will require this solenoid valve relay. This is one channel relay, and this is Arduino Uno, and we will require some jumper wires and some connecting wire. So first I will show you how to connect the relay with this Arduino Uno. So for this we will require 3 jumper wires. These are male to female. So you can see here, this is a 5-volt DC relay, 5-volt DC relay. So we will have 3 terminals, in, ground and VCC, and here we have NO, common and NC. NO means normally open, common, and it is normally closed. When the 2 wires are connected normally open and to common, then when the relay is on, then which equipment is connected to this relay will on. So if you connect this common and NC, when relay is on, this will closed or off, right? So this is used for delaying purpose. Now I will show you to connect, how to connect this. So you connect the 3 wires to this. Okay, now this wire is coming from VCC, so we will give an voltage to 5 volt since our relay is 5 volt. Okay, we have plug into this to 5 volt. Now we have ground, so we will directly connect to the ground. Or in Arduino we will have 2 ground, so you can connect to any one of them. And this input is what you give 8. Okay, we have done with Arduino board. Now take 2 wires. Okay, now this is done, so I keep this inside. Now I will show you how to connect to solenoid valve. So in solenoid valve, this is the coil and this is the solenoid valve. When electricity passes through this coil, magnetic field is generated and this plunger is attracted, then these valves and the orifice opens, right? So you can remove this coil using this. You can give some pressure. Okay, so this is the coil, and now in this coil there is a screw. You have to open this screw. Okay, so this is, now you connect 2 wires. You connect 2 wires to this. You by loosening this to screw. First let the wires come through this point. Okay, then it will be easier for you. Now connect these 2 wires. Tighten the screw. You just tighten the screw. Then close it. Okay. Now we have 2 wires coming from the solenoid valve, right? So this is the coil. We have 2 wires coming from the coil. So you can directly connect this coil to it. Then tight it. Okay, so we have two wires coming from the solenoid coil. Now you can directly plug this. You can see this is AC220 volt, AC220 volt, 6 watt. It can take 6 ampere current, and AC220 volt. So it can also, the voltage range is 187 to 250 volt. So since in our house in India we have 220 voltage supply, you can directly connect, you can directly plug into the board. If you directly plug into the board, so you, to open and closing purpose, you have to press this button. You have to press this button for one cycle. But I want to automate it. So for this I am using relay. So I'll show you how to connect this relay. So relay is just a switch. This switch will automatically stop the supply of current for a certain amount of time that you want to be. You can directly write this program in Arduino. So I will show you to connect. So the current coming from the solenoid valve. So the one wire that is coming from the solenoid valve, you connect it to the common, the middle one in my relay. You may have in different position, but you always connect to it to the, let me, okay, this is connected to the common. Okay, and you take another wire, you connect it to NO, normally open. It's just a switch. Just you cut the wire from the solenoid valve, then you, as you connect switch, this is simple like that. Okay, so our connection is done. So you can directly plug into this. You can directly plug these two wires to our board. So I have connected these two wires to a pin, 2 pin. Now you take an USB, you connect this to Arduino board. Actually I have done my program, so it will directly run, but I will show you how to write the program also. So you write this program, you try to write this program. I have write constant input relay pin 8, since I have given this to number 8. So here also I have write relay pin 8, void setup, pin mode, relay pin output, void loop, digital write, relay pin low, delay for 606. This is in millisecond. If you want this to be for 1 second, you have to write 1000. For example, you want that your solenoid will work for 1 second and then will stop for 1 second, then you can write 1000. It is in millisecond. So for this you just compile it by clicking this. So it is compiling. It will check whether you are doing right or wrong. So it is compiling. It will take some time. So compiling is done. You can now directly upload. This will say how much space is used. If it is goes maximum value, then it will directly tell you that you don't have this memory. So now you can upload with this. Now it is uploading. Now it is uploading. So done uploading. Now you can see this light is on and off in a time interval of 1 second. So in my project for pneumatic cylinder, I have calculated my time, and this time is come out to be 606 milliseconds. So that's why I have to write 606. So upload. So now the light is on and off in a time interval of 606. So everything has done, and I think you have understand. Now I will show you by connecting this to supply. Now you can see the solenoid valve is okay. It is on and off for 6067. Now you can, like that, you can automate your project. Okay, thank you.